Redesign with Prima has a huge range of decoupage papers. The small rice paper is 11.5 inches by 16.25 inches. The standard size decoupage paper is approximately 19 inches by 30 inches. And the A1 paper is 23.4 inches by 33.1 inches. The small rice papers are ideal for small projects like jewellery boxes, trays, or if you have small drawers on a larger piece of furniture. You can see the fibres clearly here in amongst the patterns, so it's a very natural feeling tissue paper. But look at the print quality and look at the details. Beautiful. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to iron out those creases. All of the Redesign with Prima papers come folded, but they're easily removed with the cold to medium heat setting on your iron. I've picked quite a bold pattern to demonstrate the medium-sized decoupage paper. This is called Tangerine Spring, and as you can see, this is folded again, but I'm going to show you in a moment how easy that is to iron out. This is really tough. It differs to the two tissue papers. This is more like a dryer sheet, or if anyone's familiar with dressmaking, it's quite a lot like interfacing. And as you can see, I'm just sticking to that cool to medium temperature on my iron, and the fold lines will just melt away. The A1 paper designs are the crown jewels of our decoupage papers. The details, as you can see, are very painterly in quality, so they're more like works of art than an all-over pattern. You can almost see the brush strokes coming out. And you can see the filament textures in here that make it like a true rice paper, but it's a lot stronger. It's very tough. These papers do not wrinkle, they don't tear. The colours are very rich. The designs go all the way through, so you could actually turn it around for a slightly muted reverse image if you really wanted to use it the other way. These papers can be applied over curves to give you a more seamless look. They can be painted over with ease. You can layer other products, you can layer stencils over, you could use any of our texture pastes or our icing paste or chalk paste. There's no waxy or glossy coating on these papers, so you really can work with them very easily. And as you can see, the folds on these ones can also be ironed out really well. The great thing with all of the Redesign with Prima decoupage papers is you don't need to use the iron-on method. If it's a method that you prefer to use, then that's fine, but the great thing is it isn't a method that you have to use. We have a number of mediums that can be used with the decoupage papers for a fuss-free application. The soft matte gel or gloss gel works really well as a medium for your decoupage papers. If you have heavy body gel in your stash, this can be used in a pinch, but the texture is a lot thicker. These decoupage gels are the latest products to be added to the range. As you can see, there is a matte and a gloss finish called Shine.